Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update AirPods to the latest version. So guys, if you want to update your AirPods, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply connect your AirPods with your device. So guys, simply connect your AirPods with your device, and after this you have to simply put the AirPods in the case. So guys, here you can see this, simply put the AirPods in the case, and you have to simply close the box or the case, and after this put the AirPods near your device or your iPhone, and now you have to simply connect the charger with your AirPods. So guys, simply connect the charger with your AirPods and put your AirPods for 30 seconds near your device. So guys, here you can see this, put the AirPods near your device and turn on the internet connection as well. So I simply turn on the internet connection and connect your AirPods with your device and put them near your device with charging, and after 30 minutes your AirPods will be updated to the latest version. So guys, this is the way which you can use to update your AirPods to the latest version. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.